Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in the kitchen, I am showing you guys how I prepare my yellow corn grits. This is a very versatile side dish that can go with almost anything in your kitchen. Here you'll see it served with some short ribs. The main ingredient for this recipe is fresh corn. You want to grill that up. And let's get into the kitchen. You are using 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of water, and 1 cup of chicken broth. While you're bringing that to a boil, your corn should be ready, and you can cut those kernels off the cob. Now that our water is at a slow boil, we're going to add in the chicken granulated bouillon along with the salt and slowly whisk in our yellow corn grits. Turn that down to simmer for 8 to 10 minutes and we have some deliciousness. Go ahead and add in your white pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Stir that in pretty good. And a few dashes of Frank's hot sauce. And we'll stir that in really well. Throw in that corn and that stick of butter. Make sure you have removed your grits from the heat at this point, and you want to top your container or pan with a lid and let that butter get all delicious, and you're ready to serve.